Dead ghostwriting accounts. Most people ignore them, but with AI you can flip these forgotten profiles into massive profit, especially in the USA market. Locate inactive ghostwriting accounts. Many already have reviews, credibility, or followers. These are digital assets you can revive instead of starting from scratch. Plug AI tools into the workflow. Generate polished drafts, edit faster, and keep the account active. Consistency is what makes the account valuable again. Rebrand the account as an AI-powered ghostwriting service. Offer packages like blog posts, ebooks, or social media content. Position it as premium and scalable. Once profitable, flip the account. Sell it on marketplaces or directly to entrepreneurs in the USA who want a ready-made content business. That's how you turn digital dust into digital gold. AI isn't just about speed. It's about unlocking hidden profit opportunities. Subscribe for more USA-focused strategies to monetize AI the smart way.